Hello and welcome back to Culinary Haven. It's Christmas time and today we're going to make a festive treat, mince pies brownies. We are going to incorporate chocolate brownies and mince pies. For those of you who don't know what mince pies are, they are short crust sweet pastries filled with cooked dried fruit and spices. Originated in England, and it's the most popular treat at Christmas in Britain. We eat about 1 billion of them every Christmas. They're absolutely delicious and addictive. Anyway, without further ado, let's begin. So we're going to make the classic brownie mixture, pour it into a dish, and then we're going to place mince pies into the brownie mixture, cover it with the second half of the brownie mixture, and bake them all together. And we'll start with, traditionally, when making brownies, we will melt chocolate, 200 grams of dark, good quality, 70% cocoa solids chocolate, and 200 grams of butter. We'll melt them together. So this is chocolate and butter melted. I advise you to do it in short bursts of 20 or 30 seconds max at a time. Give it a stir and then continue. It's now perfectly melted and it took only, I think, 3. We'll let it cool a little bit, and in the meantime we'll whisk the eggs and sugar. Into a bowl we're going to crack 4 large eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract, and 300 grams of soft light brown sugar, and whisk it all together. Just a little bit longer so that the mixture gets a little bit thicker. That'll do. And now we're going to pour in the melted butter and chocolate. Scrape the bowl and whisk it in. And lastly, we're going to sift in 120 grams of plain flour and 40 grams of cocoa powder. Sift them together for better distribution. And now we're going to fold it in with a spatula. Just a churning motion from the bottom up. And now we're going to pour the brownie mixture into the parchment lined tray. This one is 30 by 20 centimeters. So we're going to pour about half of it. And spread it evenly. And of course the mince pies, look at them. Gorgeous little pies with a very delicate short crust pastry. Taking the foils off and placing them in. For this size of baking dish we're using 6 pies. Brownies are delicious as it is, and then to find in the middle this luxurious, crumbly, delicate, short crust pastry filled with fruit and spices, it's just indulgence on another level. So we're going to pour the rest of the